I'm Zara, and welcome to Reset, the Mindset Makeover Show, giving you the tools you need to elevate your life, career, and finances, all on your own terms. Our show will dig deep to help you to nurture your skills to achieve your purpose. Whether you're an employee building a brand, business, or income, these tools will work for you. So join me every Thursday for a new episode of Reset, where you'll get to engage with our growth-minded community and hone in on tools to keep your mindset fresh and focused. I'm Zara, and thank you for watching Reset, the Mindset Makeover Show. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you next week.